Hello YouTube. Today we'll see together how to replace the speaker, the dashboard speaker of Sportage QL model, the from 2016 to 2021. For this matter, we need the replacement speaker. I have it here. I bought it from AliExpress. It's the same exact model number of the OEM one, the one that is already plugged in, but it's not working for some reason. I've seen on internet that this is a common problem for Sportage and Tucson models. Yeah, so I had to buy a replacement from AliExpress. It took 2 weeks to arrive. Yeah, it's not that bad, since local dealer doesn't provide this part. We will need also two plastic, I don't know what we call them, but the thing that we use to release plastic parts, let's say. And we will need a screwdriver, I think. I don't know. So let's start by removing the top cover one. This one. So we will need first to remove this this plastic part, which is the light sensor. So it's released, as you can see. It's a bit fragile, so we should take care of it. We start then by peeling off the plastic cover we talked about. It's a bit hard. Yeah. As soon as it's released from one side, you go to the other side. You need to take care to try to not damage the material here, the plastic material. Yeah. Now we can bring the other bigger tool, which is this one. That's one side. Now for the second side. And it's removed. As we said, try not to damage it. This is my first time fixing something in cars. I used to fix electronics, but this is my first time trying to replace something in my car. Yeah, the struggle is real. I mean, you have a constant fear of you have a fear of breaking stuff. Oh, the camera went down. Okay. Yeah. And it's removed. Okay. Looks like we have two speakers. There is plenty of dust here. Yeah. Looks like we have two speakers. I think this one is the faulty one. I don't know if this one is working or not. The problem I have is the fact that when I do the turn signal is this, there is no sound coming from the turn signal. See? Okay. Let me grab a screwdriver. This is the screwdriver I'm going to use. It's a Phillips screw one. Yeah. You need to find, yeah. This. Let's start with this one first. Yeah, you need a smaller screwdriver. Maybe this will do the job. Yeah, it's not working. Yeah, I have finally found this awesome screwdriver. I mean, yeah, I'm blown away by the variety of tools my brother have in his garage. So yeah, it works. It works very well. Now we're yeah, we need to keep everything aligned. Now we're removing the old one. The struggle is real. I mean, yeah. Hopefully it works. And we can normally unplug it. There is it. Okay. So now we let me try starting. This is the old one. I don't know what is wrong. So I double check it. It's the same model number. This is the new one. You see? And this is the old one. Now we will turn off the car just to avoid any issue with the circuit. Yes, it works. It works. Haha! Yeah, it works, but I don't know the other speaker is for I don't know. Ah, no, the other speaker is for the sound system, I think. Yes. Let me put a song that has bass on it. Yes, I confirm. The other speaker is, I mean, as you may see, there are two speakers. This one is for the sound system. Okay, as you may know, my car has the JBL sound system. This one is for the sound system. And yeah, it looks very dirty. I will try to find something to clean it out. It looks very dirty. Yeah, that's mainly it for now. Now we try to stick this one back and this one also up. Need to snap everything back. And yeah, it's done. You need to double check that the light sensor is working. Yeah, and when I cover it up, the lights turn on. So yeah, this is a success. Thank you. Yeah, still there is one issue here. We'll try to fix it.